Hey everyone! Welcome back to Lecture 5 of our Tenses series. Today, we're learning about the present perfect continuous tense, a tense used to talk about actions that started in the past and are still happening now. Let's break it down. What is present perfect continuous tense? The present perfect continuous tense is used to describe actions that started in the past, continue into the present, and may still be ongoing. Formula: subject plus have has plus been plus verb ing, fourth form of verb. 1. For I, you, we, they. Use have been plus verb ing. Example: I have been studying for 2 hours. 2. For he, she, it. Use has been plus verb ing. Example: she has been working on this project all day. When to use present perfect continuous tense. 1. To talk about actions that started in the past and are still continuing. For example, I have been reading this book for a week. They have been waiting for the bus since morning. 2. To emphasize the duration of an action. For example, he has been playing football for 2 hours. We have been studying English since last year. Common keywords. We use for to show duration. For example, for 2 hours, for 5 days. Since. To show starting point. For example, since morning, since 2020. Practice time. Now it's time for you to practice. Complete these sentences with the correct form of the verb. Write your answers in the comments, and I'll check them for you. That's it for today's lesson on the present perfect continuous tense. In the next lecture, we'll move on to the past simple tense, so don't miss it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. See you in the next video, and keep practicing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.